Sam, what are you doing with your face?
It's called Blue Steel, Nina. It's a classic.
You look like a confused fish.
A confused... Okay, that's just rude.
She's not wrong, Sam.
Hey, welcome back to Snap English. This is The Grind, and today, Nina needs a model for her photography portfolio. Sam volunteers. Big mistake. This is a beginner episode. Let's go. It's a Wednesday morning at The Grind. Nina walks in with her camera bag, and she does not look happy.
Guys, I have a huge problem. My model canceled. My portfolio is due tomorrow.
Oh no. Can you find someone else?
It's too late. I need someone today, like right now.
I'll do it!
You?
Dude, yes! I'm totally perfect for this. People always say I'm like super photogenic.
Who says that, Sam? Your mom?
She has great taste, actually.
You know what? I don't have a choice. Sam, you're my model. Meet me at Central Park at 2 o'clock. And please, be ready.
Yes! You won't regret this, Nina. I'm gonna be amazing.
You're going to regret this.
I already do.
2 o'clock, Central Park. Nina is setting up her camera near the fountain. Olivia is there for moral support. But there's one problem.
Where is Sam? He's late.
He said 5 minutes. That was 20 minutes ago.
I'm here. Sorry.
Sam, finally. I thought you weren't going to show up.
Of course I showed up. I just needed extra time to get ready. Look at this outfit.
Are those sunglasses indoors? We're outside, Sam.
It's called fashion, Olivia.
Now, did you catch that? Nina said she thought Sam wasn't going to show up. To show up means to arrive at a place, especially when someone is expecting you. He didn't show up for the meeting means he didn't come. All right, back to the story.
Okay, Sam, stand over there, near the fountain. Let's start simple. Just give me a nice, natural smile.
Got it.
What is that?
Sam, why do you look angry?
That's my smile.
That is not a smile. That's a threat.
Okay, let's pause here. Nina wants Sam to smile. A smile is when you move your mouth to show you are happy. You know, the opposite of what Sam is doing right now. You can use it as a verb. Please smile. Or as a noun. She has a beautiful smile. Back to the story.
Sam, just think about something happy.
Okay. Pizza. I'm thinking about pizza.
Now you look hungry. Not happy. Hungry.
Well, I mean, pizza makes me happy and hungry, so...
This is a disaster.
Okay, new plan. Sam, just stand next to that tree. Look natural. And hold still. Don't move.
Yes, ma'am!
Sam walks to the tree. He stands very straight. Very, very straight. Like a statue.
Sam, you look like a robot. Relax your arms.
Like this?
Now you look like a penguin. Olivia, help me.
Okay, Sam, just stand normal. Like you're waiting for coffee at the grind.
Oh, okay. I can do that.
Wait. Those are actually not terrible.
See? Just be yourself, Sam.
Really? Let me try some poses.
No, Sam, don't.
Too late. Sam starts doing poses. Jumping. Flexing. Pretending to fly. It's chaos.
Sam! Hold still! Stop moving, please!
But I'm giving you options, Nina.
Okay, pause. Nina told Sam to hold still. Hold still means don't move. Stay in one position. It's very similar to stay still. Both mean the same thing. You can say hold still or stay still. Both are correct. But hold still is more common when someone is taking a photo or when a doctor is checking you. All right, back to the story. After 30 minutes, Nina checks her camera. 200 photos. Almost all of them are terrible.
I can't use any of these. I'm done. My portfolio is ruined.
Nina, I'm sorry. I was trying too hard, wasn't I?
It's okay, Sam. It's not your fault. Well, it is your fault. But it's okay.
Wait. Nina, what if you use the bad photos?
What?
Think about it. Your portfolio theme is real moments, right? These photos are real. Sam jumping, Sam making weird faces, Sam looking like a confused fish. That's real life. That's funny. That's interesting.
Oh my God. Olivia, you're a genius.
Nina looks at the photos again. This time, she sees something different.
This one. Sam jumping with the pigeons behind him. This is actually amazing.
Really?
And this one. Your blue steel face next to that old man's face. He's making the exact same expression.
Oh my God, they look like twins.
Okay, that is funny.
I'm going to call the series Don't Move, about a model who can't hold still. Sam, you're not a good model, but you're a great subject.
That's the nicest mean thing anyone has ever said to me.
Sam, smile.
Wait, like a real smile or?
Just the real one. Perfect.
See? He can smile. He just needs to stop trying.
So, can we go get pizza now? All this modeling made me hungry.
You were hungry 30 minutes ago.
I'm always hungry. Let's go!
And just like that, Nina's portfolio is saved, thanks to the worst model in New York City. It's Snap Quiz time! 3 quick questions about today's episode. Ready? Let's go! Question 1. What does ready mean? A. Feeling tired after a long day. B. Prepared to do something. You can start now. C. Feeling nervous about something new. The answer is B. Ready means you are prepared. You can start now. Nina wanted Sam to be ready at 2 o'clock. Question 2. Complete the sentence. They blank twins, meaning they are very similar. A. Look like. B. Look at. C. Look for. The answer is A. Look like means to appear similar to something or someone. Olivia said Sam and the old man looked like twins. Question 3. True or false? Take a picture means to use a camera to make a photo. That is true. To take a picture means to use a camera to make a photo. Nina took a lot of pictures of Sam today. Great work! Now let's do a quick recap of everything we learned today. All right, let's recap. Today we learned 6 words and expressions. Number 1, smile. A smile is when you move your mouth to show you're happy. Give me a big smile. Number 2, hold still. It means don't move, stay in one position. Hold still, I'm taking your photo. Number 3, show up. It means to arrive at a place when someone is expecting you. Sam almost didn't show up. Number 4, ready. It means prepared, you can start now. Are you ready? Number 5, look like. It means to appear similar to someone or something. You look like a movie star. Number 6, take a picture. It means to use a camera to make a photo. Can you take a picture of me? That's it for today's episode of The Grind. If you enjoyed this story, hit subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. This is Snap English. Fast, fun, fluent.